Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. Microsoft Outlook allows you to carry out a world of activities, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do one of those. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use your Microsoft Outlook tags. Now, there is a simple step on how to carry that out. The first thing you want to do is ensure that your account is properly set up, and you can do this by typing in your email address and phone number, password, to get yourself set up in your Microsoft Outlook platform. Now, if you do not already have an account, you go through all of this process of setting up, and if you do have an account, just put in your passwords, go through all of the verification checks, and it will take you straight up to your Microsoft Outlook account, which looks like this. Alright, so I'll be showing you how to use your Outlook tags. Microsoft Outlook tags helps you to stay organized and manage your time efficiently. Now, to access your Outlook tags, you want to head over to the left hand side over here where you have a list of menu options and look for your Microsoft Outlook tags option or to do. Alright, so this is what it looks like. You click on that and it will take you to the tags section. So this is what your Outlook tags look like. On this tags bar, you can decide to create a new tags. All right, you can decide to edit and the existing tags. By editing and updating a particular tags, you can decide to mark a tags as complete. You can decide to categorize your tags. You can decide to assign your tags to others, to view tags, to use Outlook tags with to do, and a lot of other things you can use this to do. So in today's video, I'll just show you how to do a few things on your Microsoft Outlook tags. All right, let's say I want to create a new tags. The first thing you want to do is head over to click on new tags, or this over here. I'll just add a tags here. Add a tag. Let's say I want to go shopping. All right, so I'll just type in shopping as the heading for my new tags. Then after doing that, I will just, all right, this is what my tags looks like. I can decide to set the due date for this particular tags. Set if it's important. I'll just start this over here, so it has been marked as important. I can set the date I want to carry out this particular task. Let's say I want to carry this out on Christmas Day. I will set that, and I've been able to create a new task. You can go ahead to set, let's say I want to create a grocery list for my shopping. I can decide to add a due date, add a reminder, let's say later today, and then also set it on repeat for the week on a weekly basis. All right, Sunday every week these tags would set up and remind me. So this is how you can set or create a new task in Microsoft Outlook. All right, you can decide to edit this particular tags, or you can decide to mark this particular tags as complete when you're done, or categorize your tags, or do all sort of things you want to do on this to-do list or on this tags option. Right, if you look over here, you have a list of options like my day, how to plan your day. Important tasks are outlined here. Your plan tasks are outlined here. Tasks assigned to you outlined here, and then other tasks that you create would be outlined over here. So this is how to use your Microsoft Outlook tags. I hope that after now you would be able to navigate through how to set up your tags and how to properly arrange your tags or categorize your tags in the ways that you want them to appear. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, bye for now.